Welcome to this video on 10 passive income ideas for beginners. Passive income is money earned with minimal ongoing effort after the initial work is done. If you enjoy this content, please take a moment to subscribe for more insights on building wealth and financial freedom. Imagine getting paid simply for owning a stock. That's what dividend investing is. Some companies share part of their profits with investors every few months through something called dividends. So instead of only hoping the stock price goes up, you also receive cash payments regularly. And here's where it becomes powerful. Many investors reinvest those dividends to buy even more shares, creating a snowball effect over time. That means your money slowly starts working for you instead of you always working for money. That's why dividend stocks are considered one of the simplest beginner-friendly passive income assets. Right now, there are YouTube channels making money every single day without the owner ever showing their face. No filming, no celebrities, no expensive studio, just systems. One person writes scripts, another edits, and AI can even handle voiceovers. The best part is this. Once videos are uploaded, they can continue generating views and ad revenue for years. Some channels also earn through sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and digital products. That's why YouTube automation has become one of the most powerful digital assets today. Real estate has created wealth for generations. Why? Because people will always need places to live. When you own property, tenants can help pay off your asset through rent every month. And while that rental income is coming in, the property itself may continue increasing in value over time. That means real estate can generate both monthly cash flow and long-term wealth at the same time. Today, people also invest through Airbnb, shortlets, and property investment platforms. That's why real estate remains one of the most powerful passive income assets in the world. One of the best businesses today doesn't involve warehouses, shipping, or physical inventory. It's digital products. Things like ebooks, templates, courses, and guides can be created once and sold repeatedly online. A single file created on a laptop can reach customers all over the world. And because there's no manufacturing or shipping cost, profit margins can be extremely high. The powerful part is this. Once the system is set up, sales can happen automatically. That's why digital products have become one of the most scalable online income assets today. Some people make money online without creating any product themselves. They simply recommend products or services and earn commissions whenever someone buys through their link. This is called affiliate marketing, and it works especially well with YouTube, TikTok, blogs, and social media. A creator talks about a useful product. Someone clicks the link. A purchase happens, and the creator earns a commission. The best part? Old content can continue generating affiliate income long after it's posted. That's why affiliate marketing is one of the easiest beginner-friendly online passive income models. Skills may not sound passive at first, but the right skill can eventually become an asset. A designer can create templates. A programmer can build apps. A writer can publish books or courses. At first, skills generate active income, but over time, those same skills can be transformed into products that continue making money repeatedly. That's why high-income skills are so powerful. They're often the foundation behind online businesses, digital products, and scalable income streams. In today's internet economy, valuable skills can eventually become long-term assets. Most people think real estate investing requires millions of dollars, but REITs changed that. REITs, also known as real estate investment trusts, allow ordinary people to invest in large properties like malls, apartments, and hotels without buying the buildings themselves. Investors buy shares in the REIT and receive part of the profits. The biggest advantage is simplicity. You can invest in real estate without managing tenants, fixing plumbing, or dealing with maintenance. That's why REITs have become one of the easiest beginner-friendly ways to enter the real estate market. The internet changed wealth forever. Today, a small online business can reach millions of people globally. Unlike traditional businesses, online businesses can operate 24 hours a day without needing a physical location. An e-commerce store can make sales while the owner sleeps. A website can generate ad revenue daily. A software product can gain customers worldwide. And because online businesses are scalable, one successful system can grow incredibly fast. That's why digital businesses have become one of the most powerful passive income assets in the modern economy. Some songs continue making money decades after they were released. Some books continue selling years later. That's the power of intellectual property. When you create something valuable once, it can continue paying you repeatedly through royalties, licensing, or sales. This applies to music, books, software, videos, and even inventions. The reason intellectual property is so powerful is because ideas can scale infinitely online. A single creation can reach millions of people worldwide. That's why ownership of creative work has become one of the most valuable assets today. The wealthiest people on Earth usually don't rely only on salaries. They own businesses, because ownership changes everything. Employees trade time for money. Owners build systems that continue generating profits. A business can hire teams, sell products, and operate even when the owner isn't physically present. And over time, successful businesses can become extremely valuable assets. That's why business ownership sits at the center of many wealth strategies. Because instead of only earning income, owners build systems capable of generating income for years. Before we end this video, here's one final bonus most people ignore. The biggest passive income asset isn't just money. It's knowledge. Because once you understand how assets work, you start seeing opportunities everywhere. Most people spend years working for income, but wealthy people spend years building systems that continue paying them long-term. And the earlier you start learning about investing, business, and ownership, the bigger the advantage becomes in the future. That's why financial education itself may be the most valuable asset of all. Because one good idea can completely change your financial life forever. Some mobile apps make money every single day, even while the owner sleeps. And the interesting part is this: the app doesn't need millions of users to become profitable. Some apps make money through ads. Others earn through subscriptions or in-app purchases. A simple app that solves one useful problem can continue generating income for years after it's launched. That's why mobile apps are considered digital assets. Once the app is built and uploaded, users from around the world can continue downloading and using it daily. And in today's smartphone economy, apps have become one of the most scalable passive income opportunities online. Vending machines are one of the oldest passive income businesses in the world. Why? Because once they're placed in a good location, they can continue generating cash flow with relatively little daily effort. Places like schools, gyms, airports, hospitals, and office buildings can bring constant customers every day. The real secret isn't just the vending machine itself, it's owning a great location with heavy foot traffic. And over time, one vending machine can turn into multiple machines across different locations. That's why many people see vending machines as simple physical assets capable of generating recurring monthly income. Some people don't just build businesses, they build systems other people pay to use. That's the power of licensing and franchises. When a brand, product, or business system becomes successful, other people may pay recurring fees to use that same model. That's how franchises work. Instead of building every location yourself, others expand the business for you while paying royalties or licensing fees. The powerful part is scalability. One successful system can spread across cities, countries, or even the world. That's why licensing and franchises have created massive wealth for many business owners. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and learned something valuable, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss future videos about wealth, investing, business, and financial freedom. Also, don't forget to like this video because it really helps the channel grow, and share it with someone who wants to start building passive income assets. And most importantly, start small, stay consistent, and keep building assets that can work for you long term. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.